people who really rule you. Most of them are faceless bureaucrats you've never heard of.
We have committed ourselves to
One of the most common misconceptions in our time is that we're responsible more or less for the whole world in perpetuity. The founders begin from a premise of non-interference in the affairs of other nations, unless that country poses a direct threat to them. The modern bureaucracies, they would say that it's impossible to stake out a successful foreign policy that sticks so closely to that of the American founders in a complex world where America has all these responsibilities. And their view is you either agree with them or you stay out of their lane. Foreign policy always has to protect the nation and the people, but also American foreign policy, it has to protect our equal natural rights. I worked in both the George W. Bush and Donald J. Trump White Houses, both times at the National Security Council. These people who are running the federal bureaucracies have more power than the people whose names you know who are supposedly running American foreign policy. In this course, I'll be talking about the principles and the practice of American foreign policy, the history, key events, and a proper understanding of what the American founders intended and how we've departed from that. The story of American foreign policy is a story of rising size, power, influence, along with rising ambition. And I hope to give you the tools to steer your government in productive directions. I'm Michael Anton. This is our course on American foreign policy. Let's begin.
In all these regions, we too have a very big stake.